Having issues getting your Ring doorbell to ring properly? Make sure to check out all the steps that I mentioned in this guide, and you should have your Ring doorbell alerting you like it should in no time. Now, when it comes to Ring doorbells that are not ringing properly, the hardware is usually a factor that comes out as a culprit the most. The button up front can get stuck with frequent use, or if dust settles within the gaps of the button. Since Ring doorbells are usually mounted outside, this is quite a common occurrence for Ring doorbells in general. Now, fixing this can be quite a tricky ordeal. I recommend that you unmount your doorbell and try wiping the button area with electronic safe isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. If your button still seems stuck, I recommend that you get a certified technician to come take a look at your device. There are plenty of guides available on the internet, but if you don't know what you're doing, you might risk damaging the device. Whether your doorbell is a wired or a wireless model like I have here, power is essential for the proper functioning of the device. If you do have a wireless doorbell, I recommend that you ensure that your device is sufficiently charged. Ring doorbells, like any other electronic device, have specific guidelines that you will need to follow to get the device charged properly. To check the proper charging requirements of your doorbell, just remove the back panel of your device and Ring should have proper instructions printed. But in general, stick to a power brick that supplies low power and avoid your phone charger, since newer phone chargers can pump out a lot of power. If you're using a wired doorbell, I recommend that you check your cables for any visible damage. Wear and tear can hinder the proper operations of your power cable. If you find any red flags, I recommend you get in touch with Ring to get your device checked. Ring Chime is a very interesting device that connects with your Ring doorbell and ensures that you get alerted when the button on your doorbell is pressed. You can mount your chime anywhere inside your home, and whenever your doorbell is rung, so will the chime inside. The speakers on your Ring doorbells are mediocre at best, and you won't be able to hear your doorbell ring unless you live in a tiny space. So, a chime is more or less a worthy investment. Of course, you can use your own chime device and need not necessarily use a Ring chime for your setup. But not a lot of users know that there is in fact a compatibility chart that you will need to follow in order to get your chime to chime properly. For example, the 2021 Video Doorbell Wired is compatible only with a Ring Chime and a Ring Chime Pro and will refuse to work with any other third-party chimes. So it's best to first go through the compatibility list to get a clearer idea of whether your internal chime is compatible with your Ring system. I have linked the compatibility list in the description below. If nothing works, I recommend that you just reset your device, just to get rid of any potential bugs that might have been causing this ringing issue in the first place. To reset your doorbell, just remove the back panel of your camera and press the orange reset button for at least 20 seconds. Ideally, your doorbell should now start flashing white lights. If nothing happens even after the reset, then it's best to get a technician from Ring to come check your device. And with that, I believe that I've touched on everything that I wanted to talk about regarding fixing a Ring doorbell that does not ring properly. If you found this video useful, do comment your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting Ring content like this.